Live team coverage now, live at 5 ahead of the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival Weekend 1. We have live team coverage before the campground opens tomorrow. News Channel 3's Marion Bouchot is standing by with a look at how local businesses are preparing for the spike in visitors. And we begin with Samantha Lomibel live at one of the coronavirus testing sites that's popped up ahead of the festival, even though there will not be a vaccination or testing requirement. Samantha, what are people saying about returning to such a mega event?
Good evening, John. Yes, we are just 2 days away from the biggest music festival the Coachella Valley has to offer. Thousands of people will be flooding those gates very soon. But the question is, should we still be worried about COVID-19, and will Coachella be a super spreader event? We'll find out. Although people are ready to put the pandemic in the past, many are still remaining cautious. The Coachella Valley Music Festival is known for hosting top artists of all genres. It's also known for bringing big crowds along with it. A couple of festival goers I spoke with say they're excited for the event, but will still try to keep their distance.
Probably distancing for myself personally, because I really like going to the front of crowds for festivals, but this might be a time that I step back.
Joshua Bliss, who is an emergency room nurse, experienced the pandemic firsthand. And after a break in big events over the last 2 years, he thinks it's much safer now, but will still keep his guards up.
I feel like there's always like a strand of caution with it, just because it's always been in the back of my head because I've been seeing in the ER for the past 2 years. But I feel like also we're in between variants right now. I haven't seen that many cases in the ER currently. I feel a little bit more safe now than I would have last year or the year before.
In February, organizers of the Coachella and Stagecoach Music Festival dropped the requirement for proof of vaccination, negative test results, or masks. However, some say they would have felt safer with some of the requirements still in place.
I feel like they should have at least kept like the vaccination requirements, because I'm definitely noticing if people are vaccinated, they usually are not as sick.
Could Coachella be a super spreader event? Although Riverside County has been experiencing a decline in COVID cases, they'll still be keeping a close eye on numbers.
Probably by the end of the week or the beginning of next week, if there is going to be a boost or a bump, we'll be able to see it then. And in particular, we'll be able to see it out in the Coachella Valley area.
County health officials urge attendees to prioritize their health over the festival.
Protect your own health. And if you're not feeling well, by all means, consider staying at home. I know it's a big financial investment for those that purchase tickets, but, for this thing, your health is more important.
Now, if you are planning on attending the event, health officials are urging you to get vaccinated if you haven't already, wear a mask, keep your distancing, and of course, get tested. Now, test sites are being offered right now at the Indian Wells Tennis Garden, and it will pop up right here behind me at the campgrounds, and you can find more information on our website, kesq.com, and of course, all county sites are open. Live in Indio, Samantha Lomibel, News Channel 3.